Guys, we're gonna do a speed run after we did our upgrade on our HBX 903. We're using our URGENEX 2200 2S LiPos, and this has got a Surpass Hobby 35 amp ESC with a 2845 Surpass Hobby 4350 kV.
Turn the car on.
Yeah, car's always second.
I was like, you're gonna put a lid on.
Oh yeah, yeah, I would do something. Alright. You're gonna drive this one in. It's the whole walls.
They're very, like, they're higher up than you think they are. Wow, all 4 clips? You're getting fancy today.
I don't want the body to fall out. Chance we're gonna roll at 45.
You're going from the wrong direction, Dad. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Drain our battery just sitting here. All right, so we're at
Make
0.
sure the duct tape doesn't push the pause button.
Yeah, I know. Like on the like on the MF01. We just got done running the MF01. All right. Let me make sure the trim is set.
You have to turn it up. I think I was turned down when Allison was using it.
All right, here you go. Give it a good run. What? Did it slow down?
No, the trim is.
Oh. It gets squirrely on you. Holy cow, that thing is fast. Did you land it? Yes, you did. Is it all over?
No, the trim's still messed up.
You got to turn the rate down so it doesn't turn as fast. You want really slow movements. I turned it up a little bit. Man, she's hauling. How fast do you think she's going? What happened?
It's just disconnected. Is this the one where it pushed the thing keeps pushing? No, that's the other car.
No.
Maybe something flew out or the battery flew out.
No.
It braked good though.
It could have turned off from stopping. You never know. Oh, there it goes. It's going.
It lost signal.
No way. It's brand new. It's a brand new. All right, let's see how fast she is. Whoa! You jumped. Oh, jeez.
Yep, that's disconnected. Yep. It keeps like, it's doing that weird thing where it's like delayed.
Well, maybe overheating too. So, why don't we bring it in and see what we got for speed? Did you get a full pull on it?
Yeah, that one where I went
Okay.
all the way down.
All right. So it should be pretty up there. I'm hoping for 50 then. All right. 33. 33.
Does it say pause again?
Yep. It keeps losing the signal. Keeps losing the satellite signal.
Oh. I think it went faster.
I do too. Let me get a pull on it. It went to pause again.
It doesn't.
What the hell?
The controller or the
Could be the batteries are dying too.
I can't believe I jumped the curve. And then it landed and they'll keep going. Well, this curve, it's like slanted. That's what I mean, it disconnects. It's slanted, so they're able to just like fly up to it.
Alright, let's see what we got. This thing is so cool. I think we need a new GPS.
14, yeah, that's
average.
Oh.
37 miles an hour. See, that seems more accurate.
I think it probably got to 40, that one.
Yeah.
Really good pull.
Because I didn't even get a full pull on it. But that's what our highest is, 37. So not bad for a 2845. I'm going to shoot for 40 next.
It holds up good.
Yeah.
The car held up good. Other than the disconnect.
Awesome. Well, we've had this car a year.
And it lands on its feet a lot.
I know. I mean, we did a crash. It hit the curb going 40. And it still survived. Nothing's broken. Can't say that about a lot of cars. Some cars you crash and you're done. Anyways, we're going to get the other HBX out and be right back. We're back and we're going to do a speed run on our HBX 2995 that we just recently upgraded with a Surpass Hobby Platinum Edition. It's the 5200 kV 3650. We're also going to be running with our Rocket 80 amp ESC.
Oh, this one's got those weird.
Yeah, finally.
Does that clip not have a?
There we go. And I'm not running with all of them on this guy.
Oh, yeah. You don't need it.
As long as we stay at our feet. Okay. Put this up here. Huh, did I rip the buttons off of this?
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Okay, well. I guess we're not doing this one.
I'm not sure.
What is that thing?
I don't know. It's probably the program card. Anyways.
What's that one? What the hell?
Don't do that at home, kids.
What'd you do?
I just switched it from forward to reverse for the throttle. Alright, we gotta reset. Started. This is 3S, 80 amp ESC, 3650, 14 tooth pinion.
She's kind of slow. Is that full throttle? Maybe that's as fast as this guy can go.
Reverse is faster. Something's not right. You see that? Reverse is faster.
You can do cold reverse, see how fast you can get there.
This car's so cool. You just see that? Alright. Let's see what we did. Now what the other one got, it was like 37.
Hey, you didn't record.
No. 29 miles an hour, 29.6.
Yeah, that's good. That's pretty
Yeah,
good.
and I think I got my terminals backwards because that's not right. You guys saw how slow
Have
that
to take it home and tinker on it.
Yeah, I'll have to take her. But these are ready for the track, so that's the next thing we're gonna do. We're gonna race and ramp it. Right? We're gonna run the ramp. Anyways, I'll see you when I see you guys. Hopefully you dig. Like and subscribe and all that. Peace.